Hello artists! Today my little friend Bunny has joined me to make a super fun surprise art together. Are you ready? Let's get started. We have 2 white sheets of paper, one for me and one for Bunny. First, let's fold the paper in half from the middle. Look at Bunny folding so carefully. Great job, Bunny! Now open it up. It's time to add some magic colors. Let's put colors on the folded line. Yellow, blue, orange. You can pick your favorite colors too. Add more colors and make it bright and happy. Wow, Bunny is doing such an amazing job. Now comes the fun part. Fold the paper again in the middle. Press it nicely and make some squishy patterns with your fingers. Make some circles, some lines, or any other fun shape. Ready to see the surprise? Open it slowly. Look at these beautiful color patterns. And Bunny's artwork looks so amazing. Give this video a big thumbs up and try this fun art activity at home with your family and friends. See you in another super fun art video. Till then, bye bye little artists.